Hey, welcome to Travelova channel, and today we will compare the two most popular backpacks, Thule Enroute and Osprey Nebula. First, we will pack these backpacks for a 2-week trip to compare their capacity. Then, we will focus on the quality of materials and waterproofing. And at the end of this video, I'll show you how comfortable they are to carry and how they can be combined with carry-on luggage. For better visualization, I'll use identical stuff to pack both backpacks. As you can see, both backpacks are made of high quality and reliable materials with lifetime warranty. They qualified as a personal item for many airlines, but keep in mind that the Osprey Nebula can fit under the airplane seat if you don't put anything in the front mesh pocket. The zippers on the Thule Enroute open easily, while on the Osprey Nebula they can be quite difficult to open. And just in case, Osprey backpack has a proposition 65 warning. I tested the water resistance, but both backpacks failed. Water got inside quickly, so if it's important for you, you'll need to buy a rain cover. Thule Enroute backpack is incredibly comfortable, and I love the design and the breathable back panel. Plus, the pass-through panel lets me attach it to rolling luggage for easy travel, and the side handle makes it convenient to lift and place on the airplane shelf. The Osprey Nebula is a comfy backpack with a ton of pockets to keep you organized on the go. It's great for everyday stuff or travel, but unlike Thule backpack, it doesn't have a sleeve for your suitcase or grab a handle on the side. So my personal choice for air travel in combination with carry-on luggage is the Thule Enroute. So what about you? Which one do you prefer?